Hi friends, welcome to Insurance Decoder. And friends, as you know, it's been long since this Saral Jeevan policy has been launched. And in this video, I will tell you about SBI Life's Saral Jeevan Bima, which was launched recently by SBI Life. And here you will get to know about the complete detail about this Saral Jeevan Bima policy of SBI Life. So let's start. This is the brochure of the policy, so we will take the details from here only so that you will get to know the details, correct details. There will not be any changes in the details. And first and foremost thing, waiting period. So if you take the policy, there will be a waiting period of 45 days. Waiting period is nothing but if the person dies during this waiting period, insurance claim will not be passed. But there is a condition that if person dies due to accident, then during this waiting period also the 100% of the amount will be paid. So accidental deaths are covered. There will not be any kind of waiting period for accidental death. However, for other kind of deaths, there will be 45 days waiting period. So once that 45 days waiting period is passed, then the person dies, his family members will get the complete claim amount. Then plan eligibility, I have discussed it at various videos, but still we will go through it. Since it is a standardized policy, so whatsoever Saral Jeevan policy you will see, all these details will be similar across all the insurance companies. So minimum age at entry will be 18 years and maximum age at entry is 65 years. So there will be a window of 18 years to 65 years. If your age is between 18 to 65, you can buy this policy. Maximum age at maturity is 70 years. So you can take cover up to your age up to 70 years, and thereafter this protection will not be available. Policy term, it will be from 5 years to 40 years, and they have the different kind of premium payment terms. You can opt for the regular premium payment. You can also opt for limited premium payment for 5 years. You can also go for the limited premium payment for 10 years. And if you want, you can also opt for single premium option. So you have overall 4 big options for premium payment term. There, the minimum sum assured for this policy is 5 lakh rupees and the maximum sum assured is 25 lakh rupees. And thereafter, you can take the policy in the multiple of rupees 50,000 rupees. So the after 5 lakh rupees, the next option available is 5 lakh 50,000, then 6 lakh, 6 lakh 50,000, and so on till 25 lakh rupees. The premium payment frequency, you can pay the premium on yearly basis, half yearly basis, monthly basis, and you can also pay in a single premium. There is not any option for quarterly premium payment option. These details, the minimum premium, maximum premium, all these things I'll discuss during this video. After completing this video, I will tell you how you can calculate the premium that we will also see. So I'll skip this part, premium amount part, and I'll just go to next part. Here they have given sample illustration how this plan will work. Suppose they have given the example of Mr. Kumar, who takes the policy of rupees 20 lakh for a period of 30 years. And he will require to pay the premium for 30 years because he has taken the premium payment as regular premium. If you have opted for the regular premium, you will have to pay the premium for the policy term. So here Mr. Kumar takes the policy for 30 years. So he will have to pay the premium for 30 years. Now, due to some unfortunate events, Mr. Kumar dies after 20 years. So what will happen once Mr. Kumar is died, then is dead, his family members or his nominee will get the entire sum assured amount, that is 20 lakh rupees, immediately on death of Mr. Kumar. And thereafter the SBI will pay the claim and this policy will terminate. There will not be any kind of premium from either side. So this is how this policy functions. It's a very plain vanilla kind of policy. No mixture, no riders and anything. It's very simple for the common person. Survival benefit, since this is a term plan, so there will not be any kind of survival benefit. So if person survives after the policy term, SBI Life will not make any kind of payment to the insured person. Maturity benefit, since this is a term plan, there will not be any kind of maturity benefit, and similarly there will not be any kind of surrender value. However, if you have opted for single premium or the limited premium, you can opt for this surrender value. They have given the formula like 70% multiply single premium paid and multiply unexpired policy term divided by original policy term. With this formula, you can calculate the refund amount if you cancel your policy before the expiry. Then policy loan, there will not be any loan against this policy since this is a term plan. So in any term plan, you don't get any kind of loan against the policy. Now comes the premium illustration. They have given a simple table. However, we will discuss in detail that how premium function works. So here they have given age on last birthday at 10, 20, 30 years. They have given the term plan. So if a person is 30-year-old, he takes a policy for 10 years, then he will have to pay 5,960 rupees every year for next 10 years. And if the person takes the policy for 20 years, then he will have to pay the premium for 6,860 rupees for 20 years. And similarly for 30 years, it will be 8,460. And they have said that the above rates are exclusive of applicable taxes. So you will have to pay an additional 18% GST on the above amount. The prevailing GST rate is 18% and it may change in future. And accordingly, you will have to pay that higher or lower GST, whatever will be applicable. But this amount will be fixed. That GST rates will be applicable on this amount, this premium amount. So this is how this premium will be calculated. And the rider benefit, there will not be any kind of riders. So to keep the policy simple, they have not provided any kind of rider so that there will not be any confusion to the buyers. Now comes to the grace period. So this policy, if you buy it online, then they will be giving you 30 days grace period. And for offline, if you have opted for the yearly and half yearly premium, then you will be given a 30 days grace period. And if you have opted for monthly premium payment, you will be given a grace period of 15 days. That means if the last date of the premium payment is say 31st December, then you have this 30 days additional time up to which you can pay your premium. And the beauty of the grace period is that if a person dies during the grace period, then the insurance company will settle the claims. That is the beauty of this grace period. Claims cannot be rejected if the person has not paid the premium during the grace period. Then the revival facility, due to certain reasons, maybe due to financial or non-financial reasons, if you have stopped paying the premium of the policy and subsequently you want to continue the policy, you have the option to revive the policy. That option is revival period for 5 years. So from the last premium payment date, you can pay, get it revived for up to next 5 years. Once the 5 years period is crossed, you cannot revive it. Nomination, you can assign the nominees under section 39 in this policy. That there will be free look period of 15 days for offline and 30 days for online policy. So if you want to cancel your policy, you can cancel your policy during this free look period. And during the free look period, there will not be any question asked to you. You can cancel the policy as you want. So if you want to cancel the policy, you are not happy with the terms and condition, inclusion and exclusions related to policy, you shall cancel it within that free look period. So that cancellation amount will not be very high. However, they will be deducting certain amounts from the cancellations, and this will include the medical expenses if it occurs, or the stamp duty charges and the risk proportion premium that you have undertaken. These things will be deducted. A remaining amount will be paid to you. Tax benefit, they have says that as per the prevailing tax laws, you will be getting the tax benefits. Like in current situation, if we say that second you get, if you pay the premium, that premium will be exempted under section 80C, under taxation rules. Sorry, if you are a SBI employee, you get the additional benefit of 5% rebate in the premium, and for a single premium you get a 2% rebate. Exclusion, 45 days period they have given, the waiting period is excluded. And similarly for suicidal death, they have given that similar to all other policies, here also you will get 12 months waiting period for suicidal deaths. So suicidal deaths will not be covered in next 12 months. Thereafter suicidal deaths are also covered under this policy. And then this policy also comes under section 45. Section 45 says that if you have paid the premium for continuously for 3 years, then policy cannot be cancelled on any ground. no policy of life insurance shall be cancelled in question on any ground whatsoever after the expiry of 3-year period. So if you have paid the premium regularly for 3 years, then your claim cannot be cancelled because of any reason whatsoever the insurance company states. It cannot be cancelled. So this is the details of this SBI Life Saral Jeevan Bima policy. Now we'll see how you can calculate the premium and how you can buy this policy online. So let's start. For that, you have to go to the SBI Life's website. I'm just opening the SBI Life's website. Thereafter, you have to open this page wherein they have given products. From here, you have to select individual life insurance products. Click on individual life insurance products. So here, since they have launched this policy recently, so it will be available on the top of the options. So here you can see the SBI Saral Life Jeevan policy. So if you click here, you will get to know the details of the policy, which I have already told you. But still, if you want to know, you can click here and read about the terms, condition, and all these things. And thereafter, key features are available here. Key benefits they have given, and then you can learn more about the policy. And if you want to know about the premium, you have to click on buy now. Once you will click on buy now, this policy will take you to a different page, and here you will have to provide the complete details. Like here they have given the minimum sum assured is 5 lakh and maximum sum assured is 25 lakh. Depending on your requirement, you can fill the details. So say if I fill here 10 lakh rupees, so I have given 10 lakh rupees as sum assured. So this way I can calculate. Then I have to provide the premium payment term, how long I want to pay the premium, single premium, regular premium, limited premium, whatever. If I opt for the regular premium payment, then it will ask me the premium payment frequency, how frequently I want to make the premium payment. So here they have given yearly, half yearly, monthly, and single premium. So I opt for yearly premium. Then it asks me for the policy term. Minimum policy term, you can see here they have given 5 years, and maximum policy, if I drag it, it will give me 50 up to 40 years. So between this 40 and 5 years I have to select, and then you have to put your date of birth. So I'm just putting 1st January 2001 as the date of birth. You can select your date of birth. I'm just putting the random date of birth. So I have selected this 1st January 2001 as the date of birth, and then it asks me about whether I'm a staff member of SBI or I'm not. Then you can select accordingly. If you're a staff member, you have to click on yes. If you're not a staff member of SBI, you can click no. And then you have to select your gender. If you're male, click here. If you are female, click here. And if you are third gender, you can click here. The option are also available. Then you have to select your state. Like if I select Delhi, and then you will have to select your city where you belong to. Then you select your city or the nearest city available to you, that you have to select. So since this is the beauty of this policy, that irrespective of the states, your premium will be similar, not like other policies where depending on your state you live, the premium may change. Here the premium will remain same if you wherever you are living in India. Basic details, you will have to provide your name and the first name. Like I just put some random name. I have put it here, and then you will have to put the details like your email ID, whatever your email ID is, and then you will have to put the mobile number. So this random mobile number I am putting because I don't want to buy the policy. I just want to give a demo. So I am putting the random mobile number. If you want to buy the policy, you will have to put all these details correctly. And then you can click here, I accept the terms and condition, and then you will have to click calculate the premium. Then it will show you your premium details. So I have clicked here on calculate premium. Some details whether we have missed. Okay, so it has given me this detail. Like for the 25 period, sum assured is 10 lakh rupees. Then premium will be 3100 rupees. Yearly installment 3100 exclusive of taxes. Then 550 rupees will be the government tax. Total premium I'll have to pay is 3658 rupees for next 25 years. Then you click here to proceed, and since I have started my mobile number with the one, it is not taking and changing the mobile number. And then let's say proceed. Have you purchased SBI policy through our website before? If you have purchased, you can click yes. If you have not purchased, you can click no and submit. uh, Proceed. So these details they are showing. So depending on the requirements, you can fill all these details if you want to buy, and if you are not interested, you can close it and you can wait for the next policies which you want to buy. So with this help, you can buy this policy. I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, I have put the link in the description box. From there, you can watch this video in Hindi. And please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, our channel is very new. Please don't forget to subscribe it, share my videos with your friends, family members, and let them also enjoy the beauty of the insurance. This video and this channel is exclusive for insurance videos, and I hope you have been enjoying the videos a lot. Thanks a lot. Keep watching. Have a nice day.